Samsung Notes versus Apple Notes, which is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. Both apps offer unique features that cater to different user needs. Samsung Notes and Apple Notes are two popular note-taking applications. The core difference lies in their ecosystems. Samsung Notes is designed for Samsung device users, while Apple Notes is tailored for those within the Apple ecosystem, ensuring seamless integration with their respective devices. Samsung Notes is a versatile note-taking application that allows users to create notes using text, images, and drawings. It offers features like handwriting recognition, which is particularly beneficial for users who prefer jotting down ideas quickly. The app syncs across all Samsung devices, ensuring that your notes are accessible wherever you go. One of its strengths is its integration with the S Pen, making it ideal for creative users who enjoy sketching or annotating. However, a limitation is that it may not be as feature-rich as some other note-taking apps, especially for users outside the Samsung ecosystem. Ideal users include Samsung device owners who want a straightforward, efficient way to capture and organize their thoughts. Apple Notes is a robust note-taking application designed for Apple users. It allows for text, sketches, and document scanning, making it a comprehensive tool for various note-taking needs. One of its standout features is the ability to collaborate in real time with other Apple users, enhancing productivity for teams. The app also integrates seamlessly with other Apple services such as iCloud, ensuring your notes are available across all your Apple devices. However, a limitation is that it may lack some advanced features found in dedicated note-taking apps, which could be a drawback for power users. Ideal users include those deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem who value collaboration and easy access to their notes across devices. When comparing Samsung Notes and Apple Notes, consider your device ecosystem and specific needs. Samsung Notes excels in creative features, especially for users with an S Pen, making it perfect for sketching and handwritten notes. On the other hand, Apple Notes shines in collaboration and integration with other Apple services, making it ideal for team projects. If you frequently switch between devices, Apple Notes offers better cross-platform accessibility. However, if you prioritize a feature-rich experience on a Samsung device, Samsung Notes may be the better choice. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your device preference and how you plan to use the app. For Samsung device users who value creativity and simplicity, Samsung Notes is the clear choice. If you are an Apple user looking for seamless integration and collaboration features, Apple Notes is the way to go. Choose the app that best fits your ecosystem and note-taking style for the best experience.